In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch view in Monday.com. When you're working in Monday.com, the way your information is displayed can make a huge difference in how easy it is to understand your work. Maybe you want a simple list of tasks, or perhaps a visual board, or even a calendar. All of these are controlled by what Monday.com calls views. Switching between these views is very simple, but it's also a powerful habit to build because it lets you see the same data in different, more useful ways depending on what you're doing. First, open the board where you want to change how things are displayed. At the top of your board, you'll see a section where different views are listed. This area is usually just above your items and columns. Here is where Monday.com keeps all of the available views for that specific board. Take a moment to look at the views that are shown there. You might see options like Main Table, Kanban, Calendar, or others, depending on what has already been added to your board. Each one represents a different way of looking at the same underlying information. To switch your view, all you need to do is move your cursor to that row of view options above your board and click on the view you want to use. For example, if you're currently in the Main Table view and you'd like a more visual card-based layout, click on the Kanban view. In an instant, your board will update and display your items according to that view's style. If you want to go back or try another view, simply return to those options above your board and click a different one. There's no risk of losing your data when switching views. You're only changing how it's presented on the screen, not the information itself. As you work, try switching views based on your task. Use a table view when you're editing lots of details, and maybe a calendar view when you're planning dates and deadlines. The key is to remember that those view options are always right there above your board, ready for you to click. So to recap in simple terms, look at the views listed above your board, choose the one you want and click on it. That's all it takes to switch views in Monday.com and make your work easier to see and manage.